Do you want to disable the dim lock screen when focus mode is enabled on your iPhone 8 Plus? Hey there, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the dim lock screen when focus mode is enabled on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, open Settings, tap Focus, then tap Do Not Disturb. Under Allow Notifications, you'll find Options. Now tap Options. Here's the dim lock screen option. Now tap on the toggle to disable the dim lock screen. This is the process to disable the dim lock screen when focus mode is enabled on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.